Quadratic equations. Quadratic equation. We introduce an equation with one variable in which the highest power of the variable is 2 and is known as a quadratic equation. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belong to R and a not equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. It is an equation with degree. For example, 5x squared plus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. 9x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. X squared is equal to 16. 4x squared plus 5x is equal to 0. To solve the quadratic equation, we can use the prime factorization method and the formula method.
Factorization method. To solve the quadratic equation by factorization method, 2x square minus 7x is equal to 39. Solution. Expressing as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And factorizing the left hand side, we get 2x square minus 7x minus 39 is equal to 0. Product of the roots. 2x minus 39 is equal to minus 78. Sum of the roots is equal to minus 7. 2x square minus 13x plus 6x minus 39 is equal to 0. X into 2x minus 13 plus 3 into 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. 2x minus 13 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 13. That is, x is equal to 13 by 2 or x is equal to minus 3.
To derive the quadratic equation formula, solution by the method of completion of squares. Consider the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 divided by a. Divide a on throughout equation. We get x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a discriminant. For quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a not equal to 0, the expression b squared minus 4ac is called discriminant and is in general denoted by the letter d. Thus, discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac.
To solve the quadratic equation by formula, 5x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Solution. We have a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 3. With general formula for QE is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and so x is equal to minus of minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 into 5 into minus 3 by 2 into 5 is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 60 by 10 is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 64 by 10 is equal to 2 plus or minus 8 by 10 is equal to 10 by 10, minus 6 by 10, that is 1, minus 3 by 5.
To examine the nature of the roots. Examining the type of the roots in a quadratic equation means to see the type of roots, that is, whether they are real, imaginary, irrational, equal, or unequal. The nature of the roots of a quadratic equation depends entirely on the value of its discriminant b squared minus 4ac. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is, b squared minus 4ac is positive, therefore, the roots are real and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is a perfect square and b is irrational, the roots are irrational and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is perfect square, a, b, c are rational. The roots are rational and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is not a perfect square, the roots are irrational and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. If b squared minus 4ac lesser than 0, that is, b squared minus 4ac is negative, therefore, the roots are not real, that is, the roots are imaginary.
First, for equation x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 9. b square minus 4ac is equal to 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 is equal to 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Implies the roots are real and equal. Second, for equation 2x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. a is equal to 2, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 3. b square minus 4ac is equal to 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 36 minus 24 is equal to 12, which is positive. Implies the roots are irrational and unequal. Third, for an equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 25 minus 24 is equal to 1, which is perfect square. Implies the roots are rational and unequal.
Application of quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are used to solve a number of problems arising in our day-to-day life. The method of problem solving consists of the following 3 steps. Let us solve some problems.
The sum of the squares of two consecutive positive integers is 545. Find the integers. Solution. Step 1. Let x be positive integers. Then the other integer is x plus 1. Since the sum of the squares of the integer is 545, we get x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 545. X square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 545. That is, 2x square plus 2x minus 544 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2 on both sides, we get x square plus x minus 272 is equal to 0. Solving the equation. X square plus x minus 272 is equal to 0 is equivalent to x square plus 17x minus 16x minus 272 is equal to 0. X into x plus 17 minus 16 into x plus 17 is equal to 0. That is, x plus 17 into x minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 17 or x is equal to 16.
For the same amount of work, A takes 6 hours less than B. Of together, they complete the work in 13 hours 20 minutes. Find how much time will B alone take to complete the work. Solution. If B alone takes x hours, then A alone take an x minus 6 hour for the same work. According to the given statement, A plus B is equal to 40 by 3, work converted into hours. 1 by x minus 6 plus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 40. X plus x minus 6 by x minus 6 into x is equal to 3 by 40, implies 2x minus 6 by x square minus 6x is equal to 3 by 40. 3x square minus 18x is equal to 80x minus 240. 3x square minus 18x is equal to 80x plus 240 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 98x plus 240 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 90x minus 8x plus 240 is equal to 0. 3x into x minus 30 minus 8 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 30 into 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 30 is equal to 0. 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 30. 3x is equal to 8. So, x is equal to 8 by 3. B alone will take 30 hours to complete. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 13 cm and difference between the other two sides is 7 cm. Solution. Taking x as the length of the shorten of the two sides, write then equation is x that represents the above statement and also solve the equation to find the two unknown side of the triangle since x is the shorter side. Longer side x plus 7 cm. Using Pythagoras theorem, we get x square plus x plus 7 the whole square is equal to 13 square. X square plus x square plus 14x plus 49 is equal to 169. 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2, we get x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. X square plus 12x minus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. That is, x into x plus 12 minus 5 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 5 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to plus 5, x is equal to minus 12. Since x cannot be negative, the other side is 5 centimeters. A man travels 200 km with uniform speed of x km per hour. The distance could have been covered in 2 hours. Less had the speed been x plus 5 km per hour. Calculate the value of the x. Solution. When speed is x km per hour, time is equal to distance by speed is equal to 200 by x hours, and when speed is x plus 5 km per hour, then time is equal to 200 by x plus 5. According to the given statement, 200 by x minus 200 by x plus 5 is equal to 2. From the above working, we get x is equal to 20 km per hour. By selling an article for 24 rupees, a trader loses as much percent as the CP of the article. Calculate the cost price. Solution. Let cost price of the article be x. Loss x percentage of the cost price is equal to x by 100 into r is equal to x square by 100. X minus x square by 100 is equal to 24. 100x minus x square is equal to 2400. Minus x square plus 100x minus 2400 is equal to 0. X square minus 100x plus 2400 is equal to 0. X square minus 60x minus 40x plus 2400 is equal to 0. The product of Ram's age in year 5 years ago and his age in year 9 years later is 15. Determines Ram's present age. Solution. Let Ram's age x. Hence, age 5 years ago, x minus 5 into y and a years later x plus a into years. X minus 5 into x plus 9 is equal to 15. X square minus 5x plus 9x minus 45 minus 15 is equal to 0. Ram's present age 6 years. X square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Is equal to minus 10. Reject R is equal to 6. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digits 12. When 36 is added to this number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Solution. Let the required two-digit number be 10x plus 5. Given xy is equal to 12. AGP and 10x plus 36 is equal to 10y plus x. 10x minus x plus 36 is equal to 10y minus y. 9x plus 36 is equal to 9y. Dividing by 9, the above equation reduces to x plus 4 is equal to y. Now, xy is equal to 12. Implies x into x plus 4 is equal to 12. X square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Implies x plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. X into x plus 6 minus 2 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 6. The number negative is rejected. Therefore, x is equal to 12. X plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. The required two-digit number is equal to 10x plus y is equal to 10 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 26.